Good afternoon, all. In the series of lectures of probability distribution, paper number 9, today let us see what is truncated distribution. So, in a truncated distribution, so the concept of truncated distribution over here is since in some cases we need to omit some values from our random variable x and which follows our standard distribution. Okay, so for example, suppose I need to find the distribution of x taking values 1 to up to so on, but all the other behavioral properties are same just like binomial distribution. Then we need to omit only first value, that is x is equal to 0 from binomial distribution, and all other properties are same as that of our regular binomial distribution. So that distribution is called as a truncated distribution. Okay, so that means I have x is a continuous or discrete random variable with PDS and PMS as fx. Now we have a set S. The set S is nothing but the values of x. The values of x. Now let me define one set subset of this S as S naught. And we need to find S minus S naught. So the set S minus S naught are the subset which the values which are omitted from the set. Okay. So over here the S in my example X is nothing but 0, 1 to up to so on. Okay. N up to N. And S naught, that is the set which I need, and then S minus S naught is, I can subtract this value from this. So what we get? It is 0. Okay. So that is the truncated distribution. That is, we eliminate this set. Eliminate or truncate or delete. These are the words for truncated distribution. Getting the concept? For example, suppose in the discrete data set, the example is, suppose you need to find you know that the misprint in any book follows Poisson distribution. Misprint in any book follows Poisson distribution. So if I remove the pages which has no misprint, or it is error-free, the book or the page which is error-free, these pages are removed from the book. Then the pages, all the pages must contain one or more than one misprint. So this is nothing but it follows truncated Poisson distribution, truncated at x is equal to 0. Okay. Now let me have the example of continuous. Suppose we will take or we will consider all the families in the city, and the economic conditions, or we can consider the income of the family. Okay, so that is my x. Now over here we need to consider the families which are taxable families. So over here my S naught is the taxable family. So the omitted families are the families which does not pay any tax, but they have some income, isn't it? But they have some income, so they are in my set S. But we are omitting these families which doesn't pay any tax, and we will consider only the families which pay some tax. Getting the concept? So that is nothing but truncated distribution. Now let me define the general definition of truncated is, let x be a random variable with PDS or PMS effect. Just now I told you PDS or PMS effect. Now the range which is R, and the R is the range which is excluded from the set. R is the range which is excluded from the distribution, and it is minus infinity to A, or you may have minus infinity to A, and again I have B to infinity, or you may have B to infinity. So this is my R which is excluded from the distribution, and hence R bar which is included in the distribution is minus infinity to A, or sorry, it is not minus infinity to A, it is A to infinity. distribution function portion of this probability. Okay, so that is the PDF and PDF of truncated distribution. Any truncated distribution we can find this with some specific cases. So my first case over here is truncated to the right or above at x is equal to b. So first case is truncated to the right or x is equal to b. So that means over here the r is the portion which is excluded is b to infinity or it is b to infinity, and hence the included portion r bar is minus infinity to b or you may have minus infinity. Observe, in this over here we cannot include b. Over here we include b. Over here since it is included, here it is excluded. Okay. And since our general definition is gx is equal to fx divided by probability of x belongs to r bar, and hence fx as it is and probability of x belongs to r bar means the region which is included is minus infinity to b and the range of x is minus infinity to b. Okay, so this can be written as this is equal to fx divided by, observe this quantity, f of b, f of capital B minus f of minus infinity. But minus infinity, f of minus infinity is 0, hence it get cancelled. So I have to turn as f of b. Okay, so fx divided by capital F of b for the range of x, it is in between minus infinity to b. That is the PDF of truncated distribution truncated to the left, truncated to the right at x is equal to b. Okay, and hence the distribution function is, I have the distribution function also which is I have capital Fx, and since the denominator is in the capital form I have capital F of b. So that is the distribution function of your truncated distribution truncated to the right at x is equal to b. Now let me have the second case, truncated to the left at x is equal to a, truncated to the left at x is equal to a or below x is equal to a. Below x is equal to a. That means here the region which is excluded is minus infinity to a. R is equal to minus infinity to a, or you may have the region as minus infinity to a, and hence the included region obviously it is a to infinity, or you may have a to infinity. That is my included region, and hence gx is fx divided by probability of x belongs to r bar, which is equal to fx divided by probability of x is in between a to infinity and the range of obvious x is a to infinity. Okay, now observe the denominator. The denominator term is, we can write the denominator as gx is equal to fx divided by over here f of infinity minus f of x. This is distribution function. It is not PDF. PDF is smaller and this is capital F. That means it is distribution function. So f of infinity is 1 and f of a is as it is. So my gx is fx divided by 1 minus f of a for the range of x as a to infinity is equal to 0 otherwise. So that is truncated distribution truncated to the left at x is equal to a. Okay. Now the CDF or distribution function can be written as gx is equal to capital Fx divided by 1 minus f of a simply. Okay. So capital Fx divided by 1 minus f of a. That is my CDF for truncated to the left or below at x is equal to a. Now the last case is truncated to allowed to take the values in the interval minus infinity to a and b to infinity. That is, my R bar is the only region a to b, and hence my fx over gx, that is the distribution of or PDF of truncated to the both. So gx is equal to fx divided by probability of x belongs to R bar, which is equal to fx divided by probability of x is in between a to d and x is in between a to b. Okay. So over here again we can write this by using distribution function as c. So gx is equal to, now I can write this as fx divided by, I can write this as f of b minus f of a for the x is in between a and b. You may write the definition in this manner also, or in this manner also. Both are same. Both are same. You may write in any format. Okay, it will be correct. Fine. And the series for this is, that is, capital Gx is equal to capital F of x divided by f of b minus f of a for the range of x is in between a to b is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the definitions related to truncated distribution. So in today's lecture, we have seen some concepts related to truncated distribution, then general definition of truncated distribution, then we have three cases of this general definition as truncated to the right or above at x is equal to b, then truncated to the left or below at x is equal to a, and truncated on the both sides, and the definitions of related distribution. Thank you.